Scores of police officers have been stationed in Ngcobo. Most rural parts of the town still not adhering to lockdown regulations. The Ngcobo municipality says it will continue working with councillors and traditional leaders.
What we have done as a municipality, we have established village-based committees as well as ward-based committees to look into whether the people do adhere to the conditions of the lockdown. So our observation of the municipality is that as much as the general public has been observing the regulations of the lockdown, but there have been pockets of some communities who are not observing, and that's where we always appeal for the members of the South African Police Service to come and intervene.
The police minister told the men and women in blue to scrupulously enforce lockdown regulations.
Now, because we are somewhere in Eastern Cape, Krista Ngcobo, we think we are well cornered not to experience what the world is experiencing. You're lying to yourself. For the fact that we are less than 200 people that are sick, and we are less than 20, that is yesterday's number, it doesn't mean that what is happening in other places can't happen here.
Law enforcement agents countrywide are being tested.
In the South African Police Service, we also have an obligation to look after our own members. So there's also a continuous testing process. We're looking after them. And as and when that occurs, then we then give them the necessary attention. So the 12 that I was referring to is just part and parcel of our own testing processes that takes place.
The province has also seen a high number of vehicles trying to gain entry across its borders. Most were minibus taxis traveling from the Western Cape. Lwandile Mbulali, SABC News in the Eastern Cape.